Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we bring you the most important economy, market, and corporate updates straight from Financial Express. From AI funding and IPO warnings to budget signals, EV policy, agriculture push, and market slowdown, this video is packed. Let's get started. Classical building economy and policy updates, 020 to 140. India's economy continues to show resilience, with growth expected to remain largely intact in FY27, despite global uncertainties. The centre is considering an extension of the food incentive scheme, as utilization remains lower than expected. This signals continued support for food processing and agri-linked industries. Another major highlight, the Digital Agriculture Mission is likely to receive a major funding push, aimed at boosting productivity, farmer income, and agri-tech adoption. This is a strong positive for agri-tech startups and rural-focused companies. Meanwhile, organic sugar exports of up to 50,000 tons have been allowed, offering relief to sugar mills and improving export prospects. Building construction infra, EV and government projects, 140 to 240. Big infra news. NHAI will pare debt by 4,721 crore rupees in FY26. Highlighting stronger monetization and better balance sheet management. In Delhi, the government has unveiled a new EV policy, with a sharp focus on charging infrastructure, which could benefit EV ecosystem stocks, charging players, power utilities, and EV ancillaries. Mumbai Airport has commissioned a new taxiway, improving operational efficiency and capacity, good news for aviation-linked infrastructure. Robot Eye, Startups and Corporate India, 240 to 4 o'clock. Now to the corporate and startup space. Despite the broader startup slowdown, AI funding has defied the trend in 2025, with investments jumping nearly 60% year-on-year to $1.24 billion. This clearly shows that AI remains the top conviction theme for global and domestic investors. Reliance Industries has unveiled a plan for affordable AI, aimed at enterprise productivity and automation, signaling India's ambition to democratize AI usage. However, caution is emerging. Experts warn that reasonable valuation must sustain IPO boom, as aggressive pricing could hurt long-term investor confidence. In autos, Hyundai has entered the taxi market, directly challenging Maruti's dominance. This could reshape fleet and shared mobility dynamics. Downward trend markets and investor sentiment, 4 o'clock to 5:10. Markets remain muted and range-bound, with bank lending to small borrowers slowing down, reflecting tighter credit conditions. One worrying signal. The Indian rupee has emerged as Asia's worst-performing currency, under pressure from global volatility and capital outflows. Meanwhile, cement sector M&As are likely to pause, as major players focus on consolidation rather than aggressive expansion. For bond markets, NSDL plans a new platform to ease bond sales, which could improve retail participation and liquidity in debt markets. Global and international news, 5:10 to 5:40. Internationally, Bangladesh's first woman Prime Minister Khaleda Zia has passed away, with the nation declaring days of mourning. China continues to escalate tensions, with a major military show around Taiwan, keeping geopolitical risks elevated. In the US, consumer watchdogs are raising concerns over junk food and cola companies, while Tesla reported a fall in quarterly deliveries, pressuring global EV stocks. Brain Opinion and Big Picture, 5:40 to 6:30. Experts highlight that 21st century economics demands new thinking, especially in areas like AI, climate change, and inequality. Economists also warn of costly policy errors in 2026, urging governments and investors to remain cautious amid global uncertainty. The key message: growth opportunities exist, but valuation discipline and risk management are critical.